Hello, brothers and sisters. Back again with me. This time we will review toys again. But before continuing, click subscribe and like the video. Wow, look here, there is a Molin truck, there is a Beko excavator, and a small Molin car, there is a police patrol car, and also a car lifting heavy equipment. Wow, look friends, there are two trucks here. This one is yellow, and the other is purple. Wow. And behind it, there are 5 toys, guys. There are 2 Molin trucks, there is a yellow excavator car, there's a police patrol car, and finally, there is a heavy equipment container car. Now let's put the toys one by one into the truck one by one. First, there's a container car lifting heavy equipment. Then there is a police patrol car. Next, there is a yellow Molin car. And there is also another Molin car, which we store above it. And lastly, there is a yellow Beko car. We store it above the purple truck. Wow, all the trucks are full of toys, guys. And there is also a wood-peeling excavator. Wow, underneath there are lots of toys, guys. There are 2 Molin trucks. There is an excavator car and there is also a police patrol car. Whoa, look, I saw a truck, Molin. First, there's a container car lifting heavy equipment. Okay guys, here there is a Beko car toy. This Beko car is yellow in color. Then there is a police patrol car. Wow, look, there are 5 toys here. There is a wood excavator car, there is a Mullen truck, there is a police patrol car, and there is also a Beko excavator car. Now let's move the toys one by one down now.
Oh my gosh!
Yes, my friend's Mullen car was damaged. It's okay, let's reinstall the Mullen car. Yay! The Mullen truck has been successfully installed again. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. See you